What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to buy and sell Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. We've made the steps pretty easy, so stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. The first thing we'll need to do is to download Phantom Wallet on our Chrome web store. Now if you're using Microsoft Edge browser or you're using the Chrome browser, you can go to the Chrome web store. As you can see here, Chrome extensions and themes work in Microsoft Edge, which is great. So now we're going to search for the Phantom Wallet to download and install. We can see it here with the blue tick and we're going to click on it. And in my case, you can see remove because we've already installed it. But make sure to install it yourself if it's the first time. Next thing you need to do is to go over to the top and you can see we already have Phantom here. Before you can go over to the top of your browser, go over to settings and look for extensions. Click on extensions and then make sure you have the Phantom Wallet shown on your browser for ease of use. As you can see, we can hide it here and it will disappear. And when we turn it back on again, you can see it right here. The next thing to do after installing it is to click on it and you're going to have to log in to your Phantom Wallet. And now you can see we have our Phantom Wallet opened. You have the option to go to the top right corner to put it on the side of your web browser. Now in our wallet, the next thing to do is to open Solana up and try to buy one. Now, before we're able to buy and sell Solana meme coins, we need to have our Solana. In order to do this, we will be going over two options. First option is to click on receive. So here we have the QR address and we also have the alphanumeric address for our Solana. You could use this to deposit Solana into your Phantom Wallet. You also have the option to buy Solana. You can click on buy, click on Solana, and then here you have the account and then you can put the amount. If we want to get $100 worth of Solana, you have two options down here. If you click on credit and debit card, you can also see at the right that we already have MoonPay as our option. We're going to click on it and the only provider available for now is MoonPay. For you, there might be others to use. Alternatively, you can also buy with your credit or debit card. When you click on it, you will have options such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and of course, getting your credit card or debit card information on your wallet to purchase them. Now, let's say you've purchased your Solana using the receive button or the buy button, and you have some Solana right here. We're going to go over to dexscreener.com. This will be in the link in the description, and here is Dex Screener. Now here on Dex Screener, we have the different Solana meme coins and you can see the Solana icon here just to verify it's on Solana. You can go ahead and pick any one you want. So for example, we can go with Smile. And after clicking on Smile, it will bring up a chart where we can see its performance. Of course, if it's Smile you want, you can go over to the right side of Dex Screener, scroll down, and our goal here is to look for the contract address. Right here you can see Smile, and then you can see the contract address. The next thing we'll need to do is to copy the address. We're just going to click on it, and you can see here, address copied to the clipboard. This is important. With this copied, we're going to go over to radium.io. Now the link to Radium will be also in the description below. Now here in Radium, we'll need to connect our Phantom Wallet to Radium. So right away you have two options here. You could click over here and connect wallet or click right here. I prefer to do this. And then you will have some options right here. We have Phantom and we're going to click on it. And this will bring a pop-up on our screen. You can see connect radium.io as a permission and you will have to grant the permission to connect it. Click on connect and you can see Phantom Wallet connected. When your Phantom Wallet is connected, it will show the balance of your Solana as shown on your Phantom Wallet. Of course, for now, we still have 0 Solana, but you'll need to follow the steps if you have Solana in your wallet. Now we have two input fields here, the from and to. In order to buy meme coins, we're basically swapping Solana for meme coins. And we have Solana right here. We're just going to leave it at that. And then down here under to, we're going to click on it. And this is where we'll need to paste the Smile contract address, which we copied from Dex Screener. Remember, it's currently on our clipboard, so we're just going to paste it. As you can see, after pasting this, we have this prompt right here. We're going to click on Add User Token. Now, it's true we're not seeing Smile here as we saw on our Dex Screener, but not to worry because we've just copied and pasted from our Dex Screener right into Radium. But if you're not sure, of course, you could go ahead and try to purchase another meme coin. This is just an example. However, we're confident that this is it because we just copied from Dex Screener. Right, so the next thing we need to do is to put the amount of Solana, which we would like to use to get this Smile coin. We're going to put in the amount. And when we put one Solana, you can see the equivalent of the Smile token. And you also see the summary right here. And of course, it says insufficient balance. However, in your case, if you have your Solana, what you'll be seeing here is swap, which means you'll need to go ahead with the swap. When you click on swap, you will have to do some confirmation for your swap to happen. After the confirmation, you will be seeing the new coin right here on your Phantom wallet list, both on your desktop and on your mobile wallet. Now, if you want to sell the same meme coin, all you need to do is to repeat this same set of steps in order to buy Solana meme coins on your Phantom wallet. When you do this, you will have them right here and you can continue your transactions. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.